a wonderful good day or good evening or good afternoon. Today, I'd like to take you step by step through the process of replacing the cabin air filter in this Golf 6 right here. What kind of Golf 6 is this? We've already filmed several videos with this one. I don't know in what order the videos will go live or when you'll see them. So this is the Golf 6, model year 2010, 75 kilowatts. 16 valve engine, petrol. With this vehicle, we're planning to replace the cabin air filter. Important, the purchase link is provided below in the video description. However, the cabin air filter is available in different materials, such as normal paper, activated carbon, or biofunctional. That's why you'll notice 3 or 2 different filters listed in the purchase link below. This one here is the activated carbon cabin air filter, and aside from that, we'll proceed with the replacement. Just make sure to choose the filter type that best suits your needs before making a purchase. An instruction manual is always included, even if you're buying it for other vehicles. There's always a manual included that explains how to replace the whole thing. And I'd say, to show you how to replace the whole thing, I'll demonstrate it now. And I'd say, let's get started. How do we replace the whole thing? We'll just unscrew the whole thing here first. Those are 2 plastic clips holding it in place, so we'll need to release them carefully. And then we can remove the cover here. We've got a cover here, we'll just slide it over to the right side. And then the whole assembly here starts moving towards us. Just give it a quick push to the side, and there we have the filter that was tucked inside, which is now easy to access, remove, and replace if necessary. It was a standard paper filter, and now we'll go ahead and insert the new one in its place. So, put the whole thing back to the left and reassemble everything in reverse order. And then tighten all of this back up securely. Alright folks, that's how quick and easy it is to change the cabin air filter in the Goldbex. Share your thoughts with us down below, and maybe some of you have already managed to swap out a cabin air filter on your own. My recommendation is to replace a cabin air filter like this at least every 30,000 miles or once a year to ensure optimal performance. The recommendation from Manfilter is every 15,000 miles or once a year. So, 30,000 miles, ideally at every second oil change. To change the cabin air filter. And yes, because this air passes through which you then breathe in, especially if you have allergies or sensitive respiratory issues, and over time it can even develop mold or bacteria. I believe so. Yes, definitely not good. That's why it's crucial to ensure it gets replaced regularly. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.